Welcome to Dancehall and News TV. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified of new uploads daily. And now the news. The body of a police detective sergeant was found with bullet wounds in a car in the community of Bowden Hill, Stony Hill, St. Andrew yesterday morning. He has been identified as 60-year-old Trevor Williams, who was attached to the flying squad. Head of the Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, said the car in which Williams' body was found was not registered to him. Williams' licensed firearm is also said to be missing. The lawman would have turned 61 on Christmas Day. No stone will be left unturned in the search for the killers of retired Detective Sergeant Trevor Williams, whose body was found in the back of his car yesterday morning, the police hierarchy has said. Police Commissioner George Quillo has instructed the Major Investigation Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, to undertake the investigation. Chairman of the Police Federation Sergeant Raymond Wilson told the Gleaner that even though Williams was retired, the JCF has lost a consummate police professional. "We are really shocked by this most vicious murder. Williams was a very astute investigator, the consummate professional, a man who paid serious attention to detail," said Wilson. "We are indeed very hurt by this, and we are hoping that the investigators make a breakthrough soon." Williams served over 30 years in the force and served in several crime-infested communities, according to Wilson, but always maintained his love for the people and the job he held upon retiring to take up farming, one of his passions. To say that we are saddened is really an understatement. "We are devastated that the life of a fruitful Jamaican servant was snuffed out by criminals," Wilson said. "Stand with the police." He said that the public must help the police in the fight against criminality, adding that without their input, it would be a long time before Jamaica is rid of the high crime rate that has been dogging the nation. "I am urging the members of the public to stand with the police as we battle crime and those who perpetrate it, whether against the police or against the citizenry. We all have a responsibility to pull together. I hope that those murderers are brought to justice, and in that vein, I can tell you that the investigators will leave no stone unturned," Wilson noted. Williams' bloodied body was found in the back of his white Toyota Corolla in the Bowden Hill community of Stony Hill, St. Andrew, with bullet wounds, at approximately 7 a.m. yesterday. He would have celebrated his 61st birthday on Christmas Day. It is suspected that his killer may have stolen his licensed firearm. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video. Going too fast will slow you down. Peace. I'm out. One love, Jamaica.